Yeah. So as we shared in the subcontracting process, so we have other process as well. We can do from the different way, which is like shipping documentation. From the SD route, we can do the goods issue to the subcontractor for the components. Okay. So I'm just creating the PO. Okay. Let me create a PO and let me create the whatever the details which is required for the PO creation. So this is material. I'm just entering that manually here. This is a different material because we are already using for the MM route, right? So we just try this one. So if the same material, if we are sending and we are receiving back, so what is the process for that call? If we are sending the same material and we are getting the same material, so in that case, what we call this process, this bomb, what we call this bomb, this component value, this is a recursive bomb. Okay. So in client requirement, if they are saying that okay, we are sending the same product and we are getting the same product, but the some minor changes from the client, from the subcontractor, they will do some additional activity or some additionally okay, some maybe service. So in that case, we will call as a recursive bomb. Okay. So if you see that it is the same material and the same component. Okay. So while creating this PO, subcontracting PO, okay, in the subcontracting process for SD road, you should go for the ME2O. ME2O is a T code, okay, subcontracting monitor. Okay, subcontracting monitor, this one. Okay, so in this subcontracting monitor, what we'll do, we'll go with the SD road. Okay, we will be going with the SD road. So this is a 496, right? So this is a PO which is 10 quantity which is required. So these are the POs which is earlier somebody created. So this is a PO, one PO which is for today is created. Okay. So you can see here they might be have the same component or different components also. Okay. If it is a recursive bomb, then we can have the same product. Okay. So since we already discussed with the different components, right? I'm going with the same component. How we can go with the recursive bomb. Okay. And in ME2O, okay, why we are using ME2O? The transaction code, why we are using ME2O? We need to we want to create the delivery. Okay. So instead of we are doing MIGO, directly go transfer posting from our stock to subcontractor. Instead of that, we are doing now in the SD road, we are just creating the outbound delivery. Okay. We're just creating the outbound delivery, and from the outbound delivery, okay. Okay. So when you creating this one, the system will create automatically one delivery number. Okay. So this is the delivery number which it is created. Okay. So from this delivery number, okay, from this delivery number, what we'll do, we'll go to VL02N and we'll be entering this outbound delivery. And from this outbound delivery, we are doing the post goods issue. That means instead of we are doing MIGO manually MM route, we are doing from the SD route. This is outbound delivery VL02N. Whatever it is started with V series, that is SD transaction code. So in real time, this VL02N will perform by SD consultant. Okay, and you can mention that when you want to be planned the stock issue. Okay, and how much quantity you want to be pick. Okay, so here one thing what you need to understand, this is the MM store location. In case if it is WM store location, okay, you need to be create a transfer order. Okay, that is a warehouse management MM integration. Okay, so in case if you have the warehouse management integration, okay, you need to be create a transfer order. But now this is MM store location. We don't have any warehouse management store location. In that case, what we can do, we can directly enter the picked quantity directly. You are entering here. Okay, and you can click on the postcode issue. Okay, so once this is performed, what will happen? The system will be generating automatically in the background. The movement, subcontracting movement will be posted. Course issue, which is subcontracting to posted. Okay, you can see this is 541 movement type. So I didn't enter manually this movement type. Okay, this is the from VL0 to N, it is posted. That means we are posting from the shipment document. So why we are calling this shipment? Because in the outbound delivery level, we can take it up the delivery printout. Okay, in case if you want to take the printout, okay, you can take the issue printout here. Okay, so while doing change only we can do. Okay, issue outbound delivery. So there is no output here, but generally shipment document they can take it up from the here. Okay, they will be configured in the NACE. In NACE, they will be configuring from the their perspective as a sales point of view. Okay, which is like shipping related V2. Okay, and they will be maintain a condition record. Might be which condition record is like. You can say delivery note, we can say, okay, and sales organization, distribution channel, division combination, you can maintain this one. Once you maintain this combination, okay, it will be the system will be automatically picked up. So what is the customer number which we are using here? This is the customer number. We didn't maintain anything, so I'll maintain first. Okay. So if you have any packing, okay, packing you can use from the warehouse management perspective. If they want to use any packing, they can use the packing. Okay, so then this one. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so now the goods is issued to the subcontractor. So where we can see that whether these goods are issued to subcontractor or not. So in the stock overview, you can see here the stock which is provided to subcontractor, which we are provided to subcontractor. Okay, the stock which is provided to subcontractor. Okay, so after once it is done, okay, the normal process what we did yesterday, the same process which is MyGo and Miro is same. Only the change is, okay, instead of goods issue subcontracting, we are using MIGO. We can use here ME2O. Okay, so you can see here ME2O. Okay, this is ME2O and clear. So now come to configuration level. What is the configuration which is required for this? Okay, the first configuration is, okay, you need to go to material management. The material management, logistical general, and logistical general. What you need to do? Purchasing in the purchasing. Material management and material management purchasing, and purchasing you have to go in the purchase order, and this purchase order you go to set up stock transfer order, and the set of stock transfer order go to define shipping data for plant. Okay, in this shipping data plan for your plan, okay, you need to be maintained that what sales organization, distribution channel, division, these three combination you have to maintain. This is the one. And the second one is which we discussed yesterday, set up stock subcontractor. So here you need to maintain that for supply plan and the delivery plan, delivery type is the ZLB or LB. So standard is LB, but if there is any customization is there, if you are using that, you have to be maintained. Okay, so this is the second configuration. And the third configuration, the third setup is you have to go in the master data, go to XT01. Okay, customer master record creation. Okay, so where we earlier also we created for the customer master record. For which process we have created customer master record earlier? Did you remember that which customer master record we created yesterday? So earlier we created one customer master record for one of the process, MM process. Which process?
Third party.
Third party, correct. So now we are doing for the subcontract. Okay. So XT01. Okay. And you must be maintain the sales organization, distribution channel, division, whatever you maintain in the configuration. The combination should be this. Okay. And the plant, and if you want to be take any reference, you can take it up and you can create it. Okay. So I'm just taking off the reference. Okay. I'm just taking after any of the reference because I'm not completely ST consultant, right? So I'm just entering that. I can create manually also, but for your safety purpose, I'm just telling that in case if you are missing some data that is impacting on the complete process. So that's why take any of the reference because you don't know customer master how to create and what are the impacts it is there in the background. So what are any existing customer master card which is they are using already, okay, that you can take it up. Okay, and this is not this one. Okay, now maybe you can maintain a customer master card, suppose subcontractor. Okay, so I'm just considering that he is my customer, subcontractor is my customer. I'm sending because I'm sending the goods to the subcontractor. So I'm just doing the outbound delivery. In the outbound delivery process for ST route, we should have the ship to party. That means customer number. That's why I'm just creating the customer number. Okay, you can maintain the address completely, the delivery address. So what is the delivery address for customer delivery address? Okay, you can maintain whatever it is there. You can maintain here. Okay, and go to company code data, and you can maintain the reconciliation account and the cash management account, whatever it is required, you can maintain. Okay, and sales data, okay, sales distribution and sales office. If you have the sales office separately, you can maintain, and if you already created any sales group, you can create. Okay, and the currency, if you want to be changed, you can change customer. And here delivery plant is our plant. Okay, so we need to be changed because we just copying from the existing, right? That's why whatever it is coming from the existing one, it is copied. Okay, but you can maintain whatever it is required for you. Here you can maintain and you can save. These are the important data which we need to be maintained. Okay, credit controlling area again. Okay. Okay. Now, once you created the customer master record, okay, once you created some customer master record, some of the process how it will be like, okay, they have to be confirmed. Okay, they have to be confirmed this customer number. That means from the finance point of view, once you created the customer master record, from the finance point of view, they have to be confirmed that okay, this customer is we can go ahead further. Okay, for that, what you need to do, you have to be go in the FD08. FD08 is a transaction code to confirm the customer. Okay, but you cannot do from the your user ID. You cannot do from the your user ID. You have to go with some other different user. Okay, so in the real time, might be your superior or subordinate or something like your manager, someone who confirm this customer can be used. Okay, so I'm just going to the some other user ID. I'll show you how to confirm this one. Okay. If anyone has a customer. Password, password. Somebody they provided the okay. Yeah. So 2, 4. Okay, I'm just going with a different user ID. Okay, and I will go to the FT08. Okay, and I will enter that the details, whatever it is there, the vendor, customer number, and the company code, all these details, and I will just confirm here. I'm just okay to be confirmed. So I'm just confirming from there. Okay. So the same user ID cannot able to confirm this one. Okay. So only the people who are they have other user ID, they can confirm this one. Okay. So once you confirm only, we can use this customer number. Okay, further. And now once your customer number is created, what you need to do, you have to go with your customer master card. So vendor master card number. Okay, and go to vendor master card number. Let's say suppose I have the different vendor master card, right? Let's go to MU23 and yeah, how something which is like different to MKVZ. Go to vendor master card. Something 1005997 something it is there. Okay, 587 100,587. I'll go to 100,587. And go to control data. Internet is too slow. Okay, so I'm just going to control data. Okay, here for this vendor, okay, I'm just creating as a customer number. I'm just entering that my whatever it is created, we create a customer record number that we are entering here. Okay. Okay, so this is the one. So what we did in the customer in the configuration, the first thing is customer master card created with proper sales area. What do you mean by sales area? Sales area is nothing but like sales organization and distribution channel and division combination. Okay, and the second which is like in the vendor master record. In vendor master record, you are assigning this customer number in control area, control tab. Okay, under configuration level, what you did under what it is what we called define shipping point for define shipping data for plant. Go to material management. In the material management, in the purchasing, purchase order. The purchase order in the setup stock transporter, define shipping data tab under shipping data for plant. What you did, you are assigned proper sales area, which is like type of sales organization, distribution channel, division, whatever it is there. Then after that, what you did, you are going to set up subcontract order. Subcontract order. Here, what you are doing here, you are assigning the the supply plant and delivery type. Supply plant and delivery type. Combination you need to be maintained. So what is the delivery type here? LB. Okay. If you have the customized ZLB something which is there, you can assign that. Okay. So somebody they created with Z series. So I'm just using that Z series. Okay. But you can use that whatever. So you can see here, this ZLB is for the delivery for subcon. Okay. Even if you go to LB, if even that is also same. Okay. So that thing is there. It's the same. Clear? So any questions in this process? So most of the people they are using MB1, MIGO with MM road. But some case if the client is asking that okay, I just want to go with this way, you can proceed for this way. Okay, with shipping if they want, they can go ahead. Okay. So most of the people they will practice on the MIGO only, but you can try in the both way. Clear? Is it clear? Any questions on this one? So the process will be same, only while goods issue only, it will be like while goods issue only, it is like ME2 transaction code subcontractor. Any questions? Any questions? So you can see here post goods issues also. Okay, if there is any post goods issue, you can post it. You can post here. Okay then. So this is anyone. If you have any questions, please let me know, or else I will go for the next process. Are you there? Yes. Are you there?
Yes, sir, we are.
Yeah, please.